Fractal North case. It's been a few years, we shed a few tears, but the Fractal North brings me the gear that makes me whoop, holler, cheer. I got full-on hardwood love, splashing all over my RAM. I got full-on fractal style that reminds me of who I really am. I got clearance for my GPU, I got clearance for my AIO, I got clearance for a bunch of fans, I got clearance for my drives full of tentacle porn. It's been a few years, we've shed a few tears, but the Fractal North brings me the gear that makes me whoop, holler, cheer. Mama, I need a brand new case to hold my new goon station rig. Take me down Fractal way, no more disco. I want something with taste. Need it to hold all my drives. I got dozens of SSDs, all high specs for maximum speed, but don't look at the contents for goodness sake. It's been a few years, we've shed a few tears, but the Fractal North brings me the gear that makes me whoop, holler, cheer. I got full-on hardwood love, I got full-on hardwood love, I got full-on hardwood love.
Fractal North is a bit like your mum after a hot night with me. However hard I try to get rid of her, she just keeps coming back and I can't seem to move on. But there are some redeeming features there, and it is a very attractive case, and it was probably the first real case to get that trend of natural materials going in the PC space, and nowadays you can't move for people slapping bits of wood onto a case. I feel like with the Fractal North and the Fractal Terra, they've actually integrated it into the design in a classy way. A lot of these other wood-based cases, they kind of just tack it on at the end just to fit in with the trend. And you can't really go wrong with it. It's got a mesh front behind those wood slats. It's got two 140mm fans built in. You could put a liquid cooler in here, you could put an air cooler in here, you can make it RGB, you can make it non-RGB. I mean, personally, I think this looks best with an air cooler and no RGB. That's just my preference. But guys, that's the point of custom PCs, is you make them exactly as you like them. This was a custom spec for one of our customers called Dan. He wanted RTX 5070 Ti to really lock in that 1440p high refresh rate gaming. We were able to convince him to upgrade from a 7600 up to a 7800 X3D for only around £120. And that was a fantastic upgrade because that X3D cache does really come in clutch in certain games. I recommended that he went with a dual tower air cooler, but instead he wanted a liquid cooler because he wanted the temperatures to be as low as possible and also the noise to be as low as possible. But guys, if you're building this yourself, a Peerless Assassin 120 by Thermalright, that's going to be a perfect choice for this CPU, and indeed any Ryzen CPU apart from those 16 core variants. So overall, I'm really happy with this build. The only thing going against it, of course, is with this premium case, you are going to be paying a little bit more for that, and there are other cases, probably about half the price, that are going to give you the same performance, but they aren't going to give you the same look, and probably not going to give you the same level of build quality either. I want to know what you make of this build. Leave me some comments down below. If you've got any video ideas, design ideas, things you want me to test, please tell me below. I've got access to so many different bits of hardware that lots of people don't, so please, if you've got an idea for content you think, oh, that'd be interesting to know, or that I'd like to check this out, I'd like your thoughts on that, please chuck it down in the comments.